Hey guys, so today we're going to do section 3.4, so slope of a line. So a slope is the measure of the slant of the line. The equation, the formula for finding the slope given 2 points on a line. Point 1 being x1, y1. So this is point 1 and this is point 2, x2, y2. The formula for slope is right here, so make sure that you write that down. So here's our formula right here. Notice, point 2 comes first. It's our change in y over our change in x. If your slope is positive, from left to right, it would be slanting up. So it's increasing. Your y values are increasing. If your slope is negative, the line is sloping down to the right, but you can say that it's sloping up to the left. So what I mean by that is for increasing slope, your line's going up. For decreasing slope, your line is going down. A horizontal line, your slope is 0. A lot of people get these two confused. So 0 slope is horizontal. Undefined slope, it is a vertical line. So hit pause and write those 4 options down there. An example of how your vertical line would be undefined, think they have to have the same x value. So if you have 2, 5 and 2, 11 as your 2 points, when you do your slope formula, 11 minus 5 over 2 minus 2, 6 over 0, we can't divide by 0. So this is undefined, meaning vertical line. So if you need to, hit pause and put all of this down. All right, so same x value vertical line, same y value horizontal line. The slope would be 0 for a horizontal line. All right, and in Algebra 1 or previous math class, when you learned about a line, the equation that they give you is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, and your y-intercept, please be careful, it's 0, b. A lot of people just tell me the y-intercept is 3. That doesn't make any sense. You have to say 0, 3. So let's use that information to graph this first example down here. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. So identify your 2 pieces of information. So your y-intercept is 0, b, 5, so 0, 5, and your slope is negative 1/2. So plotting this line here, you start with your y-intercept. So count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's your y-intercept. And a slope of negative 1/2. Your first number tells you to go up or down, and your second number tells you to go left or right. So down 1 and over 2 from your y-intercept. Down 1 over 2. Or you could also go up 1 to the left too, because it could have been 1 over negative 2 as well. So connect your pieces here, and that is the graph of the line y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. Go back up here and check. It is a negative slope, so it's slanting up to the left, and it's going up to the left. So that is correct. Hit pause if you need to graph your line there. All right. Before doing that one, let's do a couple more. So I want you to find the slope of the line through these 2 points. 3, negative 7, and 1, 1. Hit pause and think about what the slope of the line through those points would be. All right, so m equals y2, 1, minus y1, which is 7, so it's plus because it's minus and negative. So that comes from, since this is negative, this is a plus sign here. 1 minus 3. So 8 over negative 2. This slope of this line would be negative 4. All right, so that was example 2. Example number 3. I would like you to graph the line y equals 4x minus 3. Now let's make it a little bit more complicated. Let's say 4/5 x minus 3. Hit pause and graph this line and show 3 points on your grid. All right, going through this, our y-intercept is 0, -3. When it's a subtraction sign, make sure you bring over the negative. And our slope is a positive 4/5. So start at your y-intercept 0, -3. Both 4 and 5 are positive, so from that point you're going up 4 and then to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 point. Do another point. Up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 5. Or down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point here comes from if you thought about -4 over -5. That does simplify to positive 4/5. All right, not too bad for me to draw a line on the computer here. So that would be the equation of, or the slope, sorry, the graph of your equation y equals 4/5 x minus 3. If I asked you guys to draw a chart, use the points that you know. So 0, -3, and then you went up 4. So that has a y value of 1, and then over 5 would be here. You went from 0 to 5. Don't know why I put that point up here. I can put it down here, 5, 1. This one down here, you went down 4 more. So down 4 more would be -7, to the left 5, -5. So those could be your 3 points. All right, and last thing we are going to do, we're going to think about this one. Find h so that the 2 points have a slope of -2/3. So you are missing a piece of information here. You're missing h, so we're going to use the slope formula to set this up. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Fill in what you know. So -2/3 equals -3 minus 7 over h plus 1. This was negative, so it has to be plus here. Simplify all that you can. So -2/3 equals -10 over h plus 1. This is a proportion. Solve the proportion. So this product equals this product. Cross multiply, the cross product here. So -2 times h plus 1 equals -30. So -2h minus 2 equals -30. Notice, when I circled this, I brought the negative with only the one that is in each oval here. So move the -2 over by adding 2, so -2h equals -28. Divide both sides by a -2, so h equals 14. Hit pause and check this out. And make sure that you understand this here. You plug in all the information that you have using the slope formula here in blue and fill in all your information. Simplify each numerator and denominator as best you can, then use a cross product and solve this equation for your variable. All right, that is all I have for this section. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.